Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use an Xbox expansion card. First, locate the dedicated storage expansion port on the back of your Xbox Series X or S console. Gently push the expansion card into this slot until it clicks securely into place. Your console should automatically detect the new storage, making it available for games and apps. It's a simple plug-and-play process. Once your expansion card is installed, you can easily manage your game library. Navigate to your storage settings to move games between your console's internal drive and the expansion card. You can also set the expansion card as the default location for new game installations. This helps keep your favorite titles readily accessible and your storage organized. Xbox expansion cards are designed to deliver the same lightning-fast performance as your console's internal solid-state drive, ensuring no compromise on load times or gameplay. Currently, only officially licensed Seagate and Western Digital cards are fully compatible for playing optimized Series XS games. For older Xbox One, Xbox 360, and original Xbox titles, you can use standard external USB drives. If your expansion card isn't recognized, first ensure it's firmly seated in the slot. A simple console restart can often resolve detection issues. Always keep your Xbox system software updated to ensure optimal compatibility and performance. If problems persist, try removing the card, waiting about 30 seconds and reinserting it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.